Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am dealing with the questions that is generally asked in board examinations of class 10th. Well, whatever the type of the board is, whether it is of CBSE, UP board, ICSE, this is very important question for class 10th and expected to be coming in examination 225 to 26. So that please pay attention and don't leave my video in between. And also don't forget to like and subscribe. Please have the solution. Some of the areas of the two squares are given to us 468. We are having two squares of the sides. Let us suppose this is the one with side x1 and another one is with side x2. We are supposing that x1 is greater than x2. Okay. Then the sum of the areas, it means x1 square plus x2 square. This is given to us 4 times 68. Okay. And the difference of the perimeter is 24. Difference of the perimeter is 24. It means perimeter is 4 times x1. So that we can say 4 times x1. Naturally, x1 will be greater than x2 as x1 is, but this is bigger, so that x1, 4 times x1 minus 4 times x2. This will be equal to 24 given to us, perimeter. Or we can say x1 minus x2, that is equal to 6. Okay? Okay. Now we have to find x1, x2. So that now in this equation we can write here x1 square. This can be written as 468 minus x2 square. Correct? Okay. Now x1 is equal to what? x1, it means x1 can also be written as root of 468 minus x2. From here x1 is equal to, from here x1 is equal to 6 plus x2. They both the side are for x1 and this is for x1. It means left hand side of this is x1 is equal to 6 plus x2. Here x1 is equal to 468 minus x2 under root. So it means this side will be equal to this side. Or we can say 6 plus x2. This will be equal to root of 468 minus x2. Now in order to remove this root, we have to square both the sides. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and be continual on my channel. Don't leave in between. Okay. Now we are squaring both the sides. It means 6 plus x2 whole square. This will be simply equal to 468 minus x2. This is 36 plus x2 plus 12 times x2 is equal to 468 minus x2. This is to be solved. Onward. Shifting all the terms on right hand side, now we'll get here this was the equation, last one, in which we are having this x2, we have 2 times x2 right hand side. This is left hand side we will get here. This x2 will come here, 2 times x2 square, 2 times x2 square plus 12 times x2 is equal to minus 468 minus 36. 468 plus 36 is equal to 0. This is 2 times x2 square plus 12 times x2 minus this will be equal to 2, 3, 4. 432 is equal to 0. This whole equation can be divided by 2. We will get x2 square plus 6 times x2 minus 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 6, 2 6 are 2 1 6 is equal to 0. Now we have to find the value of 216. 3. 3 7s are 6, 21. And 3 2 are 6 into 3. Okay. Another 3, that 3 2 is 9. Difference of this name. Now we can say divided by 2. 12 into 18. This is equal to 12. Difference of these is, yes, this set is very much necessary so that it can be written as x2 square plus 18x2 minus 12x2 minus 216 is equal to 0. x2 can be taken as a common one. We'll get x2. Only x2 is taken common, not the square. So the x2 inside the bracket plus 18 minus 12 has taken common, x2 inside the bracket plus 18. It means we are having two values, x2 plus 1 8 and x2 minus 1 8. It means two values of x2 are there of the side of the second small square. One is either it is equal to minus 18 or equal to minus 12. Minus 18 is not possible. So that this value of x2 will be 12 is very much okay. This we can't consider. x2 is equal to minus 18 is not possible, so that it will be cancelled, and x2 is equal to 12, which is the side of the small side. We can find it. Hence, the second side of this small can also be obtained. The area of the x2 will be, it means area a2, which is asked by us. A2, this will be to x2 square. That is 144. And now x1 can be also obtained, as we know that this was the equation in which x1 minus x2 is equal to 6. It means x1 was equal to 6 plus x2. This was the equation. It means 14x1 will be equal to 6 plus 12, that is 18. And the area of second bigger A1, that is 81 square or 18 square. 18 square will be equal to 324. That is 324. Area, it means the area of this is 324 and the area of the small is equal to 144. This is the answer. Addition of these two, you can see this is equal to 468. Our answer is correct. This is the question. So this is the trick only. This can also be, you can use this by putting the value of x1 in terms of x2 in this, but this gets quite complicated. So that in order to do it easy, it will be more easier to convert this x1 in terms of x2 in terms of x1. Okay, thank you. Good night, good luck, and remain in touch with my videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe me. Be happy. Prepare yourself for coming competition, coming examinations, and good luck for you. We'll definitely secure 80 plus marks in maths. Okay, thank you. Good night, good luck.